Let's talk about the Profoto Connect Pro for Fuji cameras. Let's take a look at it physically. We have an on button, which also serves as the flash test button, and a fantastic upgrade as we're getting this chunkier hot shoe connector. There are no other physical connections. Firmware updates are done wirelessly through the Profoto app. There's a lot of emphasis on the groups. We have 6 groups to choose from, A to F, which we can access via the 4 physical buttons on the left. By double-clicking the button, I can highlight all the groups to adjust the power settings as one. By holding down the button, we can put the heads into standby mode. The TTL function now has a dedicated button, which they call Auto. Above that, we have a dedicated switch for the modeling bulb. To access the menu, hit the button in the center of the dial. If I go to Air Channel, I have the option of 100 channels to choose from. The next option is the control mode. This is a new feature. When using Profoto X products in conjunction with Air 2, the actual output of the light is reflected on the remote. Now let's look at the sync settings. I have 3 settings to choose from. I can sync with the first or the second curtain of the camera. If I select Auto FP, I'm now in high-speed sync mode. This will allow me to freely sync the camera up to a 4,000th of a second. We have a Bluetooth setting that we can turn on and off, and we would use this when connecting to the app or when actually shooting with a smartphone. If we go into the advanced menu, we have a bunch of settings that control the sounds, the warning sounds. We can control the screen brightness. There's various modes that could help save power, like standby mode. We can decide if the remote's going to switch itself off automatically after a certain period of time. And you can also select the battery type you're using, automatic or if you have a rechargeable lithium battery.